Hello everyone, today I will show you how to merge cells in Google Sheets. And here's how it is done. If you're trying to figure out how to merge cells in Google Sheets, it is actually really simple. It depends on whether you want to merge just a couple of cells or an entire section. For example, if I want to merge columns A and B, I will start by highlighting them. Highlight the cells you want to merge. Go to the Format menu. Select Merge Cells. You'll see three options. Merge All combines all selected cells into one big cell. Merge vertically merges cells in a column. Merge horizontally merges cells in a row. If you pick Merge All, the selection becomes one large cell. If that is not what you want, just undo and try Merge vertically or Merge horizontally until you get your preferred layout. You can also merge smaller groups of cells the same way. Simply select them, choose your merge option, and you are done. For a cleaner look, you can add a border by clicking the borders icon, which helps separate merged areas visually. And that is everything you need to know about how to merge cells in Google Sheets. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.